Alright, this is Shi Ting for the term proposal. Trying to create an enrollment system. Alright, the project summary is basically to create a class enrollment system for students to enroll in class each semester, like what we do here, every semester basically. The system will be created by an admin that adds all the class information and will be managed by a staff member who can have lesser system access to assist the student enrolling. So as an admin, I want to be able to create classes in the system so that students can enroll for each semester. Over here, it's just an example of the classes that the admin can add into the system. As an admin, I want to be able to modify any class information entered so that any correction can be made easily. So let's say if the number if here is supposed to be 1103, that can be easily made available to change. And as a staff, I want to be able to view all class information so that I can see who is enrolled into the class. So here we can see that in the English literature class, we have Daniel and Sarah enrolled. And as a staff, I want to be able to manually enroll a staff so that I can enroll a student into a class if needed. This basically enables the staff member to add a student into a class if needed, so that they have the ability to do it. As a staff, I want to be able to view student information so that I can assist the student if needed. They basically can view all these student information to see like student ID number, credit hours taken, and classification, just more information, just to see if they are meeting the prerequisites or not for certain classes. As a student, I want to be able to see all the classes offered so that I know which class to enroll in. So from a student point of view, this is what you can see. And then you have the enroll button option here to pick which classes you want to enroll for the next semester. And as a student, I want to be able to see my tuition fee so that I know how much to pay. So finally, after you enroll for classes, the student will be given a tuition statement where they can see the total amount and the breakdown of all the classes for their upcoming semester. All right, that's it.